Hey guys, today's video is going to be my July Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm is by far my favorite monthly subscription service. I love it so much. It's $21 a month, totally worth the money. I will link my previous Boxycharm unboxings down below. I've been getting this box for like 4 years now and it is absolutely amazing. A lot of you guys always ask me the weight of my box, and this month it is 0.80 pounds. Okay, let's get into this. The theme for this month's box is road trippin'. The first thing is a mascara from Wander Beauty. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Retails for $24, so already you've paid for your box. I feel like I've gotten this in a box before. I don't know if it was in a previous Boxycharm, but this packaging just looks really familiar, and I feel like I didn't try this out. But I will definitely try this out in a Mascara Monday episode. This is an award-winning mascara. Black in intensity glossy mascara that will bring your lashes to a new height. Glossy. Ooh, I want glossy lashes. It volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Look for it in a Mascara Monday episode coming soon. Oh, before I go any further, I got the first variation of this box. I believe there are 2 different variations. Next is from Chime. This is the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. The innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. Retails for $26. Oh. Okay. Interesting. So the product is on the bottom and there's a little brush on the top. I've tried products from Chime before. I've actually tried, I think it was an eyebrow pencil, and I liked it. So I am anxious to try this. Next we have a product from Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt is in a lot of Boxycharms. The No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Say goodbye to puffy and hello to youthful, rusted looking eyes. I feel like I can't read today. I'm like, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, formulated with biomimetic technology, whatever that is, peptides and botanical extracts. You are guaranteed visibility reduced under eye bags and dark circles. All right, this is right up my alley, because you can't tell right now, but Mama's got some bags under her eyes. Okay, this retails for $42. Okay, next we have a blusher. I think it's funny when companies call blush blusher, even though I think blusher is like the proper name. This is from Note Cosmetics. Never heard of this brand before. This is the Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. I feel like blusher is like a more like sophisticated way to say blush. Okay, oh, maybe not. It only retails for $11.99, so super affordable. All right, let's see. I am not a blush person, so I hope this isn't like too pinky. It's in Desert Rose. This is the packaging. You know, I kind of like this color. So I'm not like a pink blush person or like a reddish blush person. I'm not really a blush person to begin with. If I want to look flushed, then I will like run, you know, like I don't know, I just feel, I don't know, I just not a blush person. But this is a color that I would, you know, maybe potentially use. Okay, and the last thing in the box, as always, or as like 99% of the time, is a palette. All right, let's see. This is from Crown. This is the Fuego eyeshadow collection. Retails for $29.99. Let's check it out. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, mine got a little damaged, a little roughed up, but that's okay. I like those colors a lot. Yes. Yes. Final thoughts, another great box from Boxycharm. I am excited about this mascara. Like I said, I feel like I've gotten this before, but I know that I have not used it. So I will definitely try this out in a Mascara Monday episode. I'm excited for this guy, this eyebrow cream. I've never really tried anything like this. And this is right up my alley. This eye gel, totally excited for that. The blush is really the only thing I'm just kind of like but a lot of people like blush, so a lot of people would probably like to receive that. And then this palette looks great. Like these colors look great. Let's swatch. Oh my gosh, that is so silky. Oh wow, you guys, These are so silky. I am really excited to try this out. As always, I will have a link to Boxycharm down below, and spoiler alert, there are going to be 6 products in August's box, so that's super exciting. Usually there's only 5 products. Only, I mean, you get full-size products, so it's like still a great deal, but next month there's gonna be 6 products. So if you are interested in signing up for August box, I would do it quickly. I have a link down below. Again, if you're still on the fence with Boxycharm, I will link my other unboxings down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.